Hello friends, in today's video we are going to discuss two opening. First opening is Apicero and next opening is ThinkSys. So before going to forward, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and press bell icon so you will get all job related notification. So we are going to discuss in detail. So let's get started. So Apicero is hiring for software engineer. They are hiring for fresher candidates for the role of software engineer. They are hiring for all over India. So skill required for the job, candidates should be BE Tech, MEM Tech or EMCA or BCA candidates can apply for the job. Ability to work in fast-paced, demanding and rapidly changing environment. Candidates should be ready to work in shift. Candidates should be hunger to learn and implement solution in fast-paced and challenging environment. Candidates should be focused on why of any language instead of what and how. So all these skills required to apply for the job. So responsibilities for the job: clarity of basic fundamental of programming and related concept. Candidates should have ability to work or explain the logic for written code. So focus on developing the code. So candidates should be involved in discussion with the client and architects about the development plan and design. Produces code that is sufficiently supported by test units. Company offering following benefits: best in industry compensation, health and wellness benefits, employee rewards program, retirement and saving plan. So flexible schedule, all leave policies. So to apply for the job, click on apply now button. So you can fill this form. So you can write here your name with email ID and city or state, mobile number, percentage, or you can upload your updated resume here and submit the application. So I will provide link in the description. Check out the link and apply for the job. So our next opening is ThinkSys. They are hiring for BE Tech EMCA 2020 batch out candidates. So they are hiring for a software development profile. Eligibility criteria: as per discussed, 2020 batch out candidates are eligible to apply with good communication skill, and candidates should have 70% in 10th, 12th and graduation. So mandatory requirement: so after selection of candidates, company will be provide in-house training for the duration of 3 months. They are providing stipend during training. In training period, candidates will be work on the live project. After training period, one assessment test will be there. Candidates who will clear this test taken on the role. So selection process: online written test consists of math, reasoning and English question and technical interview. So to apply for the job, click on this apply now button. So you can fill your name or email ID with updated resume and submit the application. Such job updates, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon so you will get all job related notification.